Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Everyday Opportunity Channel for Premier Train entry number 26, Silver Wishes Mail Call Part 2. Let's get back into it. There were so many things in this bag, y'all. What's this right here? We got a whole roll of 1946 pennies. They look to be brown. It's kind of hard to see. We got more stuff over here. Let's see what else we got. Alright, this looks to be Canadian 2022. This is believe a loonie. Canada dollar, so yeah, it's a loonie. It's a $1. Very neat piece. Let me put these, get more in focus. People can see things a little bit. Alright, and this is something out of Nepal. Really neat piece. Now, a lot of these things will be, of course, giveaways. We like to do lots of small giveaways on the channel. Couldn't tell you exactly where this one is from. Okay, we got another one out of Nepal. Looks like a man with some oxen, maybe working on the farm. And I think these are all of that set are going to be the same. And they are indeed. So you know we'll mix those up in our 3-bag foreign coin sets. Alright, we've got a 1951 nickel that almost looks proofish. And we've got a 1979 set of nickels. Now over here we got maybe a 62 and a 63. Okay, so maybe for the nickel book that we picked up. Let's see, we got a 1991 uncirculated cent. We've got a 1971 proof. Still mostly red, or what I would consider red anyway. That's to the untrained eye because I don't know anything. We've got a 1967. So a lot of this stuff will probably go into those books that we picked up. Now I haven't even thought about starting to fill them up yet, but we might have to. We got a 1978 and a 1968 Lincoln pennies. We got a 71, a 72, and a 73. That'll help with a lot of things right there for the books. They got them pre-set up for us. We got a 1959 D and a 1962 D. These are in really, really nice shape for as old as they are. We got a 1964. I think that's an S, and a 1972 no mint mark. Beautiful pieces. I'm not much of a penny guy, but I might have some fun with this. We got a 1965 Canadian cent. Young head queen on the back. We've got a 1969 penny with the Philadelphia Mint token. Okay. This is a it's too dark for me to read without even going on the thing. It's just a dark penny, ACS. It says Debbie on it. Hello, Debbie. We've got a 1955S in really nice shape. We've got a 2005. $2009D. This would be the formative years, I think. No, it's not the university. It's where he's sitting on a log. So, not sure exactly what that one's called in that series. I'm sure y'all will tell me. And we got a 1969. Probably well, I think it says it's an S, but it's coming out of Philadelphia. Well, it just says Bureau of the Mint, so it could be out of, oh, it is San Francisco. I'll be danged. That's out of San Francisco. Put that in there the best we can. We have Canada 2004. Is this a $1 or a $2? Well, you got me. Whatever it is, it's a special one. It's got a little red flower in between there. We got a little bag with some stuff in it here. We got a nice 1 ounce copper Lady Liberty, Statue of Liberty. Loving that. We've got a punched out cross penny keychain. That's cool. We got 2 of those, as a matter of fact. And this is, I believe, from my Silver Squad. I mean, I suppose it could be any octopus, but seems like it'd be a My Silver Squad giveaway. Whether I'm right or wrong, if you know, please let me know. I'd appreciate that. Alright. And then got about 4 minutes left, and we have a bag that is labeled 1909 to 1919, I think. Got a bunch of pennies. Let's just look through them and see what we can find. So these are all going to be wheat cents, I do believe. Date's just about worn out on that one. Looks like maybe a 1914. I don't know. I couldn't say for sure. We got a 1910. Looks like a 1919. Got another, I think that's a 1919. It could be a 1909. No, it's too close together. Looks like there's a lot of 1919s in here. Another one. 1919. I don't know. The whole bag's not supposed to be 1919, but we're sure getting a bunch of them. 1919. 1919. It is absolutely not possible to read the date on that one. Got a 1917. Got a 1915. I think that's a 1909. I'll have to look under a scope or something. 1918. Possible 1916. Can't read the date on that one. 19 something. $1916, I believe. I'm gonna have to really invest in starting to use my scope again. Maybe a 1918. $1912, I do believe. Sorry, I didn't show that one to y'all, but can't really see the dates on them anyway from the best I can show you right now. $1919. $1919. Unreadable. Illegible. 1917. Every single one of these might be readable with the scope. I just don't happen to have the scope turned on. All right, well, that's what we're going to have to call it for today. We got about that much more pennies left. Mrs. Silver Wishes, I do appreciate this. It was a great deal. Can't wait to put some of this stuff together and start giving it away to y'all. Everybody have a fantastic day. Thank you again, Matt Stacker, for having me on the Premier Train. Everyone have a fantastic day, and if we don't catch you on the trade day later on this afternoon, then we will catch you on the flip side.